Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here and we're going to assemble it. This is going to be it's a record player little stand. So I don't currently have my record player here, but I'll show you guys what the stand looks like and then we can put other stuff on it as well. So we have, let me see what we got here. So here's our instructions. We have sets of pieces and parts. Lots of pieces and parts for this one. And here's some more stuff. And it's going to be this wood. It's kind of a rusticy looking wood shelving thing. Got a lot of parts. So it's gonna look like this. That. Okay, we will assemble it here. So it comes with all the pieces that we are going to need here. There's a lot of plastic bags. Okay, now it's a little less intimidating here. So let me aim you guys down slightly so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So now we have our little stand and it goes like this. We have adjustable legs. We can make them longer and shorter, whatever. And then we have it there. And we can put our records up in here and record player and whatever else on the shelf. Super cool little stand. There you go. You can see. That's what it looks like. Cool. Looks good to me. Thumbs up.